In this video, I'll show you how to change your BGMI location using a VPN, so you can access servers and content that are restricted to India. This method works on PC, iPhone, Android, or any device you play BGMI on. Before we start, I want to mention that the best VPN for BGMI is NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and secure, and it can help you appear in India while keeping your connection safe. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description to get started. First, install NordVPN on your device. For PC, download it from the official NordVPN website. For mobile devices, use the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, choose a VPN server in India. This will make BGMI detect your connection as coming from India, allowing you to access Indian servers and content. Make sure NordVPN shows that you're fully connected before opening the game, because BGMI will detect your new IP location automatically. Now, open BGMI on your device. With NordVPN connected to India, the game should load properly, letting you join matches, access events, and play without regional restrictions. If BGMI still doesn't load, try closing the app completely, keeping NordVPN connected, and reopening the game. This ensures your session refreshes with the new server location. NordVPN also includes extra features that make this process safer. Threat protection blocks malware, ads, and unsafe websites, while the kill switch ensures your real IP address is never exposed if the VPN connection drops. This keeps your connection secure while playing BGIM or accessing servers in India. So, to sum up, playing BGIM without a VPN outside India usually doesn't work due to region restrictions. But by using NordVPN, you can connect to an Indian server, open BGIM, and play safely and smoothly from anywhere. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.